What's up, family? This is your boy Ivan Hall, the Credit King. What are CPNs? A CPN, Credit Privacy Number, is a 9-digit number that is marketed as a way for individuals to establish a new credit file separate from their social security number. CPNs are also referred to as credit profile numbers or credit protection numbers. There is no legitimate use of CPN in credit reporting or lending. It is illegal and not recognized by credit bureaus, lenders, or creditors. Many companies market CPNs as a way to boost credit scores, but using a CPN to establish a new credit file is illegal and can lead to serious financial consequences. Using a CPN can get you in trouble with the law, and it may lead to the following consequences. Fraudulent use of a CPN is a federal crime, punishable by fines and up to 30 years in prison. You could be held liable for any debts or other financial obligations that are incurred in your CPN's name. Applying for loans or credit cards using a CPN can be considered fraud, and this could have serious legal and financial consequences. Even if you are able to open new credit accounts using a CPN, the credit bureaus will eventually match the CPN to your social security number, and the account will be linked to your name. If your CPN is found to be fraudulent, credit bureaus and lenders may flag your file, making it difficult to obtain credit in the future. Instead of using CPN, people with poor credit history have other options to improve their credit. You can pay off outstanding debts, dispute any errors on your credit report, and maintain a good payment history to improve your credit score over time. In summary, CPNs are not recognized by credit bureaus, lenders, or creditors, and using a CPN to establish a new credit file is illegal. Not only that, but it can result in serious legal and financial consequences. It is highly recommended not to use CPNs and instead focus on improving credit through legitimate means. For more credit tips, credit hacks, and credit repair secrets, subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit us online at thecreditking.com.